Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we will discuss about the expectations which are from project manager. Uh, Friend, today's topic is very easy and it's a very general topic. Um, why I have decided to make this video because I have seen that there are so many expectations from project manager. So in this tutorial, in this video, I just want to discuss a very general expectations which are project manager and which are true. Like these expectations are true and project manager should be able to handle and should be able to fulfill these expectations. So that's why I have decided to make a very simple and easy to understand video, and just to discuss the expectations which are from project manager, and just list down these expectations. So friend, let's start our tutorial. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can be reached to you. So let's start. Friend, expectations which are from project manager. First of all, we have to see who is a project manager. Friend, let me tell you that most of the people think that the job of a project manager is very easy, and they think that project manager is doing nothing, and he is just following up about the task, that it is done or not done, and they think that he is a very you can say a chill person, that he doesn't have any responsibility. All the persons are doing the thing, and he is just following up with the people. So let me tell you that it's not true. It's a very honest opinion that project manager has lots of responsibilities and accountabilities, and the success or failure is dependent on the project manager. Project manager is the person who guides the team. So first of all, a project manager is a person who manage a project, who leads a project. uh, Going into the deep, first of all, the first for the most important expectation from project manager is to guide the project plan. Guide the plan means that first of all, as a project manager, he should have the clear visibility about the scope, what needs to be done. Because if he has the clear visibility about the scope of a work, so that he can make the plan. When he knows that what thing should be done at which stage, so he knows that what needs to be done at which level, so he can plan the things. Okay, so when he plan the things, so first of all, the planning skills of a project manager should be very good. And when he plan the things and get the agreement from the team and from the customer, so he can guide the project plan. Guide the project plan means, let me give you an example, a very simple example, that first of all, we have to do the planning, then we have to do the development, then we have to do the testing, and then we have to do the deployment. It's a very simple manner of a plan, a very high level and simple plan. So as per the plan, we have to go according to the plan, and at each stage of a project, we have to do these particular tasks to accomplish or to close the that particular phase. So as a project manager, you should have the clear visibility about the scope, and the most important expectation from you is that you have a clear visibility about the scope. You are the person as a project manager that has the overall clarity, visibility about the scope, about the plan. Then confidence in the plan and the team. As a project manager, you should have the full confidence in your plan, that you can achieve it, and in your team as well. See, if the plan is not realistic and you are making and submitting a plan which is not realistic, believe me that it is very wrong. Because see, if you are making a plan at which you are not confident by yourself, then how you can achieve that project, how you can achieve that goal or your plan if you are not confident by yourself, and if you have no don't have the confidence on your team, so how you could achieve, how you could believe that they could give you a good results. So always try to make a realistic plan, and always show confidence on your team so that they can give you good results. Then primary source of data. Project manager is the primary source of data, means that he has all the things, latest scope documents, latest project plans, latest specifications, expect etc. So he is the primary source of data. Why? Because he has all the information. Project manager should be a person who has all the information. This should not be happen that you don't have the latest scope document, you don't have the project plan latest. So it should not happen. You should have the you should be become the primary source of data. Primary source of data means that you have all the necessary information, necessary documents, necessary specification you should have. Then pipeline to project sponsor means that you are basically the main point of contact with the project sponsor. Project sponsor, you can imagine that the customer. So project sponsor, you have a very good relationship with the customer, the senior management, the project manager, and all the you can say the communication line should be done through project manager. Should not be a case that someone else is main point of contact rather than you. As a project manager, you should have the primary source of communication with the customer. Model time management means, see, it is very important that you should, if you work hard, and you should manage the time scheduling and time management. See, remember, if you are following the time, the team will also follow the time. Remember, if you are not coming on time, you are coming on 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, remember one thing, the time team will also not follow the time. If you become a role model for them that you are coming on time, they will also follow you. And this is just an example. If you are expecting that project should be complete on time, so first of all you have to complete all the tasks which are pertaining to you, then expect from the other person that he will follow the time. Support for work life balance means it is very important that things should complete on time. Friend, let me tell you that it is not true that as a project manager you should expect that the work of 10 days could be completed in one day only. See, if you do like that, the work life balance will definitely disturbed, and people will also be disturbed, and they will try to get another job. This is very true. And see, if your family life is not good, if you are not giving time to your family, and just focusing on the job, see, remember one thing, your family life would also be disturbed. So work life balance is very important. As a project manager, this is expectation from you as a project manager, that you will manage, you will create a balance between the job and between your life or between your family, time for your family. So this is very important that as a project manager you should try to emphasize that the things should be completed at 6 o'clock, people should go back to home, and on the next day, with a fresh mind they will come back. See, if you work, try to focus on this thing, you will expect a good work, a good quality work from the team. Then the next one is ongoing training opportunities, means if you feel that people need some training, always try to create the opportunities, because whenever people find themselves that they are getting training, it's a motivational factor for them, because they feel that they are progressing, so it is a sense of satisfaction for them. If they feel satisfaction, they feel good, that they are getting good opportunities, they are getting the opportunities to improve their skills, technical skills or some other skills, so as from the training. So it is a factor of satisfaction for them, and they will give you good results. So it is a expectation from project manager that he will get opportunities, he will create opportunities for trainings, and people will grab these opportunities to improve their skills. The right tools means, my friend, that all the necessary tools. For example, if you are using project management, MS Project or Jira, or you can say project management softwares, so all the tools which are necessary, it should be used. And as a project manager, you should ensure that the all the necessary tools which are necessary to implement a project should be available. For example, you can say if the .NET framework is necessary, so you should ensure that the right tools, right software should be available on time, so that people, it should not be a problem for people that the particular software, particular tool is not available. So as a project manager, you should be aware that what are the tools which are necessary to implement a project, and make sure that on time these tools should be available. This should not be happen that people are running there and the tools are not available. As a project manager, you should make sure that the software tools or other tools which are necessary to implement a project should be available on time. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And that's all from my side. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time.